today's video, we are giving away a few products from Maybelline New York. So if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. Sup fam, Vince Gonzales here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I know you guys na it's been a while since gumawa ko ng vlog, but apparently this is gonna be my first vlog for 2021 and this vlog is very special dahil we're gonna review and try out a few products from one of my favorite brands na actually ginagamit ko from the very start na gumawa ko ng vlogs dito sa YouTube. That is none other than Maybelline New York. So they sent me a PR package full of a lot of makeup products. Pero yung pinaka-highlight ng review natin today is yung bagong formula ng Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation and now meron na siyang SPF 22. So titingnan natin kung ano ba yung difference niya dun sa old version ng Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation. And Glow fam, sabi ko nga kanina meron tayong pag-giveaway, so make sure that you watch until the end of the video. So what are you waiting for? Let's glow! Please do excuse yung pimple mark ko. Medyo napatambay siya dun sa mukha ko ngayon. Pero sana talaga mawala na siya kasi 2021 na tapos nandyan pa rin siya. Going back, I got a lot of products from Maybelline New York and I'm just so excited to try them out. Actually, yung mga ibang products dito meron na ako or natatry ko na before. Pero yung mga ibang products dito ngayon ko lang matatry. So today, puro Maybelline New York products yung gagamitin natin. Pero mag-focus tayo dun sa foundation and how it works. Pero I also wanted to take the time na ipakita sa inyo yung PR package na pinadala ng Maybelline New York. And meron silang letter dito and yes, nakasulat yung pangalan ko. So when we open this up, makikita nyo nakalagay Maybelline New York. So sa likod lang nakalagay Maybelline New York, L'Oreal Philippines Incorporated. So it says here, "Hi Vince, welcome to the Maybelline squad and Happy New Year. We are super glad to have you on board and we look forward to working with you more this year. Hope you appreciate our welcome token from our team to kick off the new year. Stay safe and wishing you and your family good health this 2021. Let's make it happen. Love, your Maybelline family." Just wanna let you guys know na first time actually ng Maybelline gagawa ng Maybelline Squad. Yung Maybelline Squad is nandun yung mga brand partners nila, andun yung mga included sa PR list, andun yung mga influencers. So sobrang honored ko talaga, sobrang big deal talaga to sa akin na mapabilang ako dito sa Maybelline Squad na to. Para kasi before, yeah, I've been getting PR packages from Maybelline pero wala pa talaga yung parang official like yung Maybelline Squad. So 2021, it happened and eto na, part na ako ng Maybelline family. Nakaka-proud lang kasi dati parang inaasam-asam ko lang yon. I mean, nakikita ko lang yung Maybelline sa mall and now part na ako ng family ng Maybelline. Nakakatuwa talaga. So I got a few products here. Yung ibang products dito, meron na akong duplicate. So yun yung ipapag-giveaway natin. So let's start off with the Maybelline New York Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Actually, ito siya. Ginamit ko na siya kagabi. Ayan, meron na tayong primer. Of course, yung ating Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily with SPF 22. I got the shade 310 or Sun Beige. Dati for Fit Me Foundation, I'm using the shade 228 or Soft Tan. Pero I find the shade na medyo leaning dun sa may yellow undertone. So I decided to change to 310 dahil ito yung shade ko dun sa SuperStay nila. Of course, di mawawala yung Fit Me Concealer. I got the shade 35 or Deep and also the Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder in the shade 128 or Warm Nude. I also got the Maybelline New York Eye Plus Lip Makeup Remover and I also got the Maybelline New York Master Chrome Highlighter. Alam mo itong highlighter na to, pangarap ko lang to dati pero sabi ko bibili ako kasi ito talaga yung sobrang gusto ko talagang matry. Kasi napakaraming magandang reviews sa tong highlighter na to and at last, nasa kamay ko na siya ngayon and itry natin siya and gagamitin natin siya today. For lips, I got the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte. I got the shades Get Undressed, Dust Babe, and Bare Temptations. Ito hindi ko pa ito natatry pero parang gusto ko siya gawa ng review. I will let you guys know really soon. I also got the Maybelline New York The Falsy Slash Lift. Ito ata bago ata to, parang this was released 2020 lang. And I also got the Maybelline New York The City Mini Palette Rooftop Bronzes. So very neutral to and ito yung gagamitin nating eyeshadow for today. Pero I think mostly shimmer shade siya, so baka gumamit ako ng mga ibang neutrals. So like literal ngayon ko lang talaga siya bubuksan. Sobrang ganda rin pala nito, oh my god. And yes, lahat siya shimmer shades. And now Glow fam for the giveaway. First up, we have here the Maybelline New York The Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Meron na ako nito, super favorite ko to, so we are giving this away. Next up, we have here the Define and Blend Brow Pen. This is in the shade Natural Brown. And we are also giving away 3 SuperStay matte inks. We have here the shade 180 or Revolutionary. We have the shade 315 or Extraordinary. And we also have a shade 270 or Cocoa Connoisseur. Itong Cocoa Connoisseur is actually from their coffee edition. Itong SuperStay matte ink Revolutionary is from their pinks edition. And meron na ako nitong mga shades ito. So we are giving away 5 products from Maybelline New York. Now let's start, Clo Fam. I already did my skincare routine off camera and now we're gonna start off with the Maybelline New York Baby Skin Pore Eraser. Alam nyo guys, sobrang nostalgic talaga kasi ito yung primer na ginagamit ko nung high school ako. Silicone-based primer siya and sobrang ganda talaga nito. It's been more than a decade na huling ginamit ko tong primer na to and finally, after a very long time, magagamit ko na ulit siya. Nakalimutan ko na yung primer na yan pero thank you for reminding me, Maybelline, na sobrang ganda ng primer na yan. Like, nagdo-disappear talaga yung mga pores. So, if ikaw yung type of person na medyo malaki yung mga pores or very visible yung mga pores mo and you want them to vanish, ito na yung solution mo for that. Ihawi lang natin ng very light yung bangs natin. O, diba? Kita nyo na agad yung difference. So, parang goodbye pores. Next up, bago tayo magtungo sa foundation, gagamitin ko muna tong Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in the shade 35 or Deep. Magsa-spot conceal lang tayo ng ating imperfections. So, i-cover up natin siya. In fairness, sobrang lapit nitong shade na to sa skin tone ko. Sobrang bet ko siya. Nilagyan ko na rin yung mustache and yung beard area. Hindi ko na kailangan masyado mag-color correct kasi hindi naman sobrang overpowering yung blue undertone. Pero if you're the type of person na mahilig mag-color correct, then go ahead. Hinayaan ko muna siya mag-set for a bit para mag-settle down yung concealer. And now, taking a fluffy brush, i-blend out lang natin yung edges. Na ni-spot correct natin. Yung edges lang yung i-blend out natin para hindi mo pop out yung portion na kinorek mo or yung color na gusto mong i-cover up. We just wanted to make sure na mag-even out yung skin tone natin dun sa spot correcting. So just blend it ever so slightly. And now that everything is blended out, we are taking the reformulated Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation Matte Plus Poreless Normal to Oily with SPF 22 in the shade 310 or Sun Beige. Right off the bat, if we're gonna compare this dun sa old version ng Fit Me Foundation, dito sa bagong formula nila, makikita mo nakalagay dito with clay. Ano nga ba yung with clay na yun? The actual benefit of the clay dito sa reformulated Fit Me Foundation is meron siyang 12-hour oil control formula. So kung medyo oily yung skin type mo ay nag-oil up ka dito sa old formula ng Fit Me Foundation, on the new formula, you don't have to worry kasi even if you wear it for a long period of time, dahil meron siyang clay, makokontrol niya na yung pag-oil up ng face natin. Alam nyo guys na usong-uso ang maskne ngayon or yung acne dun sa mask area natin. Alam nyo guys na pag lumalabas tayo, required tayo naka-mask and dahil doon, very prone yung faces natin, especially if you're wearing makeup sa maskne or mask acne. And being said that, meron ang 12-hour oil control formula itong bagong Fit Me Foundation, we can definitely avoid acne. Bakit? Because when our skin produces oil and when that oil accumulates dirt and pag yung dirt na yun nag-penetrate dun sa pores mo, then that specific area will be irritated tapos magkakos siya ng pimples. Another claim ng new formula ng Fit Me Foundation is it's actually lightweight, it doesn't clog your pores, and this one is available in 20 shades. Yes po, 20 shades po. So it covers most or if not all Filipina skin tones. If we're gonna talk about the component of the product, meron lang siyang slight difference dun sa print ng Fit Me. In front dito makikita mo na yung shade number. At the back you will see a lot of information about the product. You will see the shade name and the shade number. It says here it has SPF 22. Andito yung claims niya, meron siyang mattifying clay, matches natural skin tone, natural seamless finish, UVB protection. It has some Chinese characters right here. This one is made in China and you will see the manufacturing date. This one contains 1 fluid ounce or 30 ml. The new Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation with SPF 22 originally retails for 399 pesos. But if you guys visit their website by clicking on my affiliate link on the description box below, you can avail this for 359 pesos. So yeah, I think that's all the information that I can get from this product. So now, let's give it a whirl. Let's just open this bad boy up and we're gonna start with 3 pumps. And now, let's glow. I just did half of my face with a brush and I can clearly see the difference. Ito yung super raw and ito yung merong Fit Me Foundation with a new formula. I can attest na definitely super lightweight talaga to kasi it feels like I'm not wearing any foundation at all. Ganun siya ka-lightweight, sobrang ganda niya. Now let's finish the rest of the face. And now, Glow Fam, here's my entire face all done. Alam nyo guys, when I was applying the foundation, I was really shocked kasi hindi ko ina-expect na ganun siya ka-lightweight. I could say na with this new formula, mas lightweight pa to dun sa old formula nila ng Fit Me Foundation. Kasi yung Fit Me Foundation, ito na talaga yung go-to ko kapag lalabas ako, kapag meron akong online meeting. If I wanna feel good, gusto ko gumawa ng daily makeup, go-to ko na talaga yung Fit Me Foundation. And you guys know that I've been using this foundation from the very start. Ito na talaga yung ginagamit ko, Fit Me Foundation. And medyo shook lang talaga ako dun sa bago niyang formula kasi mas lightweight siya compared to the old Fit Me Foundation. The finish is not super drying though. Yes, meron siyang oil control pero hindi mo i-expect na sobrang intensely matte siya. Kasi makikita mo pa rin naman yung glow dun sa skin ko. If we're gonna talk about the coverage, light to medium coverage siya. If you wanna go full coverage, I suggest you go with the SuperStay 24-hour full coverage foundation. Yon the best talaga if you wanna look more unlike the natural side. Then I highly recommend the Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation, lalo na itong bagong formula nila. Okay, so far so good. So now let's move on to concealer. And dahil nga itong Fit Me Concealer in the shade 35 or Deep is very close to my skin tone, I wanted the high points of my face to look a bit brighter. I'm going to use the Marvel X Maybelline New York Age Rewind Concealer. This is in the shade Sand. So maglalagay lang tayo sa high points ng face natin, sa chin, sa gilid ng mouth, sa nose, sa forehead, and under the eyes. And now using the same sponge, let's bounce. Now that everything is blended out, we're going to use the Maybelline New York Fit Me Powder. This is in the shade 128 or Nude. Instead of using the sponge, mas comfortable ako gumamit ng powder brush. So ito yung gagamitin natin. Isaset ko pala muna yung under eyes kasi yun yung nilagay natin ng concealer para ma-avoid natin yung mga creases. After that, let's set the rest of the face. Now that everything is all set, I'm just gonna finish the rest of the face with contour and blush and we'll be back. Whew. And now we are back, and after a few hours, nakakain na ako lahat and still, the foundation looks so nice. Grabe. Definitely nakikita ko yung oil control niya. Hindi talaga ako nag-oil up. Natapos ko na yung contour ko, natapos ko na yung blush ko. A part of my eyeshadow, nilagay ko na yung mattes. And now let's dive into the Maybelline New York The City Mini Palette Rooftop Bronzes. Meron tong 6 different shades and meron din siyang kasamang parang makeup applicator tool na merong brush on the other end. So dahil nga meron siyang ganito, gamitin natin siya. So I'm dipping into this shade. And ito yung ilalagay ko sa may inner corner ng aking crease. This one is very close to my skin tone kaya hindi siya ganun nagsho-show up masyado. So I think let's try the other shade. Gagamitin ko na yung pinky finger ko to get this shade. Ito definitely high shine siya. So ilalagay na natin dito. Wow. Ayun. Nag-pop na talaga yung shimmer niya. So again, ilalagay lang natin siya sa inner part ng ating crease. And we're just gonna take a clean fluffy brush and i-blend out natin siya dun sa matte shades na nilagay natin. Since I'm actually going for a very natural muted look lang, I don't want to make the cut crease to look very prominent like yung super intensely cut talaga siya. Gusto ko na nagbe-blend well siya dun sa matte shades na nilagay natin. Now we're dipping into the champagne colored shimmer shade. And ito yung ilalagay ko sa my inner corner. Hindi siya masyado nag-show up using a brush pero I'm just gonna use my finger. There you go. Again, we're dipping into the same shade. And we're gonna put that on the brow bone. Bago pa natin gawin yung brows, Glow Fam, hindi ko na mapigiling yung sarili ko. We're gonna try the Maybelline New York Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter. This is in the shade 100 or Molten Gold. So ayan, nabuksan ko na siya. Medyo intense yung sticker niya. And this is how the product looks like. So I'm just using a regular highlighter brush. And now, let's glow. Ilalagay lang natin siya sa high point ng face natin. Oh, I love it. Now, i-blend out lang natin tong blinding highlighter na to. Grabe yung tinitingnan ko yung sarili ko sa monitor. Nakikita mo ba yung beam na yan? Grabe, sobrang blinding niya. Lalagyan din natin yung chin, yung Cupid's bow. Lalagyan natin yung tip ng nose, yung nose bridge. Grabe, sobrang intense, sobrang ganda. You guys know na sobrang mapili talaga ako sa mga highlighters ko, but so far, so good. I think favorite ko to. Sobrang ganda niya. Yes, nakalagay gold siya, pero hindi siya yung gold tone na highlighter na parang nakaka-dark ng face. Kasi merong mga gold tone highlighters na nakaka-dark ng face, pero ito sobrang ganda. Anyways, let's move on to the brows. Yes, mukha na ako nakakilay, pero hindi pa ako nakakilay dahil makapal lang yung aking kilay. The first product that we're gonna use is a Maybelline New York Define and Blend Brow Pencil. I am using the shade Gray Brown. So first, we're just gonna fill in the brows. Dahil medyo bushy brows yung gusto kong gawin dito sa kilay ko ngayon, we're not gonna focus on the outline of the brows anymore. Gusto ko lang na ma-fill in siya ng maayos. On the inner part of the brow, gusto ko lang gumawa ng flickering motion. And we're also gonna make sure that the tail of the brow is also filled in. Now that everything is filled in, we're gonna use the spoolie and iba-brush off lang natin yung product to make sure that everything is well distributed dun sa ating brows. Now that everything is all good and filled in, maglalagay lang ako ng brow soap and we'll be back. And now that both brows are all done, we're just gonna use the Maybelline New York Tattoo Brow Ink Pen and magdodraw lang tayo ng very small hair strokes dun sa ating brows. Okay, now it's time for the lips. Hindi ko alam kung anong shade yung gagamitin ko, pero i-swatch natin silang tatlo. We're gonna start with the Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte in the shade NU07 Get Undressed. This is how the shade looks like. Next, we have the shade 06 or Best Babe. This is how the shade looks like. And we have the shade Bare Temptations. This is how the shade looks like. I think I'm going for Bare Temptation. Sobrang ganda niya. And now this is how the shade Bare Temptations looks like on my lips. Maglalagay lang ako ng konting-konting Marvel X Maybelline New York SuperStay Matte Ink in the shade 117 or Groundbreaker. Ilalagay ko lang siya on the middle para meron lang tayong dimension. Then using my finger, iba-blend lang natin siya. Now that the face is all done, let's set everything up. Akala ko rin tapos na ako, pero nakalimutan ko palang maglagay ng mascara. So, i-curl lang natin tong lashes na to. And we're gonna use the Maybelline New York The Falsies Lash Lift. First time kong gagamitin to at says here, this is waterproof. Ako kasi pag hindi masyadong extreme glam, gusto ko parang very natural lang yung dating ng lashes ko. So, tingnan natin. Whoa! Pag sobrang light coat lang yung nilagay mo, your lashes would look so natural. Siya yung mascarang hindi mo kang spider legs. Alam mo yung parang nagka-clump up. Kitang-kita mo pa rin yung definition ng bawat isang eyelash trend mo. Let's do the bottom lashes. Alam mo, lash lift talaga siya kasi parang humaba yung lashes ko. Tapos bukang-buka siya. Oh my God, ang ganda. Sobrang torn na ako kung ano yung favorite ko at kung itong Falsies Lash Lift or itong Total Temptation. Kasi ito yung favorite ko talaga, pero I think mas maganda to. Pero syempre, di mawawala yung hyper curl. Overall thought ka about the foundation, it looks really nice on the skin. It's so lightweight. It feels like I'm not wearing any foundation at all. I can definitely see that if you're gonna compare this to any other oil control foundation, I could say na sobrang ganda talaga ng formula nito kasi yes, yung face natin, it naturally produces oil and hindi talaga maiiwasan yon. So yung naglalaro na lang is how will the product control the oil that's being produced ng mga sebum glands mo. So far so good. My skin looks so fresh. Very, very light na creasing lang under the eyes, which is very normal kasi prominent talaga yung mga fine lines ko dyan dahil tumatanda na talaga tayo. Pero sobrang ganda talaga nito. Again, go-to foundation ko to. SPF 22 check. Sobrang init. Pa-summer na. Kailangan natin to. Given the natural finish, this is perfect for online classes, for online meetings. If you're working from home, kailangan mo ng video. Or if you just want to look gorgeous at home, diba? If you want to feel good, I would highly recommend the Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation with SPF 22. Again, it's on a discounted price right now. Make sure to click my affiliate link on the description box down below. Before we even end the video, if you guys are interested to join the giveaway, make sure that you check the mechanics. It's also on the description box down below. Sobrang excited ko sa mananalo ng giveaway na to kasi first time ko magpapamigay ng Maybelline products, so I'd like to thank you in advance for joining the giveaway and good luck. So what do you think, Glow Fam? Nagustuhan nyo ba yung bagong formula ng Maybelline New York Fit Me Foundation? Let me know your thoughts, sound off below. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Again, Vince Gonzales here, and I'll see you on the next one.